Hello everyone! So today we're just going to be doing a short video on a question that I get asked a lot, and that's just how to use the Apollo's Lyre. So you can see this horse has a harmony pack, and I've already used the GA and the H-ray on him already. So what you have to do to use the Apollo's Lyre is to hover your mouse right here over their feet, and you can see the Apollo's Lyre right there. Now that's just the basics of it. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth, so before you even go into the Apollo's Lyre, something that you might want to do is go in and make sure, first of all, that their name is what you want their name to be. Now if you want any extra symbols, add something to be a placeholder. Like I'm going to add this asterisk here, and I'll put one here as well if I decide that I want to put some symbols in there. Now, these symbols that you have on your keyboard, or even the ones that Howrse provides, might not be pretty enough for you. So I have this linked to in the description. I have a whole bunch of symbols listed on my website, and I also have links to other websites that have even more symbols, if you can imagine that. So I'm going to try to pick a good symbol here. You know what, I like this flower, it's pretty. So rather than this asterisk, I'll just insert this symbol here. Alright, so now that I have the name prepared for the Apollo's Lyre, now we're going to actually go into it. So what you can do here is click on the letter that you want to change. So I'm going to start with the R. Now this you can use to change the font color, and when you hover over it, it even says font color. So we're going to change it to blue. I like blue. Another thing you can do is bold it, and I like to bold all of my letters. It makes them a lot easier to see, and that's the whole point of the Apollo's Lyre, is to make your horse's name pretty. So if you're going to make it pretty and go through all this trouble, you might as well make sure that people can actually see it. You can also change the font here. There's only like 4 different fonts available. If you want more, again, go to those symbol websites and they have more fonts that you can use. And then here you can also edit the symbol that you added. Make it bolder, make it not bold. I think I'm going to keep it not bold for now. I'll try like a pink. I'm not sure I like pink. I'm going to try purple. Alright. So another thing you can do is obviously you can italicize your letters if you want, underline them. And now we're going to go to our asterisks. Now the reason that we put that there is as a placeholder, as we mentioned before. So now you can pick from one of these horse symbols. So I'm going to go with this thing. No, I don't like that. We'll go with the spade. So as you can see, all the horse symbols are these cool bronze, and they have like cool shadowing to them, which is also nice. But there aren't very many, which is why I've also shown you where you can get more symbols. Now these ones also, you cannot change their color. You can change the color of the original symbol, but you can't change the color of the bronze symbol itself. So now when you save it, you have your bronze symbol, you've got your 4 colored letters, and then your colored little symbol as well. Now another thing that I should note, and the reason that I told you that you should prepare your name beforehand, is if you decide that you didn't actually want that, and you delete it, now your name is back to normal. So it completely undoes everything that you just did for your Apollo's Lyre. Let me change it back real quick so it can at least look a little bit cool. Alright, and then that is how you change your Apollo's Lyre. Now to add one, you can go to this customization bar. This whole thing is the customization bar. And you can add it right here if your horse does not already have an Apollo's Lyre. Or you can go down here to your items list, and this is how I add most of my items. And then you will have your Apollo's Lair listed here. Now as you can see, of course, this horse already has one, so it's not going to show up in their item list. Alright, and then that should be everything that you need to know about changing the Apollo's Lair, adding one, editing, everything to do with that. And like I said, I will have those symbols linked to in the description below, so please check that if you need more of those. And everybody have a great game, and I'll see you later. Bye!